Hi everyone, this is Claudia from Kokoro No Melody. On this channel, you'll find videos on some of the behind the scene projects that I'm working on. I work with wedding and event calligraphy, where my goal is to make your event sophisticated, elegant, and memorable. I also offer pointed pen calligraphy workshops, so that's why you'll find videos where I share my tips and tricks on how I practice calligraphy. My original intent for these videos is to help guide my students with practicing this skill after they've taken the workshops with me. So I hope that these videos will also be beneficial to you. So I'm a calligrapher based in Toronto, and Kokoro no Melody means melody of the heart. I always believe that the technical aspect of writing comes from the brain, but the writing of the meaningful words come from the heart. So that's why my business is called Kokoro no Melody. So if you like any of my videos, make sure that you give them a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, leave a comment for me and I will see how I can address them. If you really like my videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Enjoy!